Hi guys, welcome to my channel, The Legal Affair, with myself, Attorney Bay. As always, we talk all things law, and our conversation today is on revenge porn. Please, of course, do remember to subscribe to our channel, The Legal Affair, on YouTube. You can also follow us on social media, The Legal Affair. You can also follow me on TikTok and Twitter at attorney_bay. That's at attorney_bay. So, according to South African law, specifically the Films and Publications Act, which is the law that deals with revenge porn. Revenge porn is classified or regarded as any nude or explicit sexual material that is shared on a platform, either a platform like social media, on text, on email, or a website, with the intention to cause harm or to humiliate the person that is on the nude or the explicit sexual material. And of course, that content is shared without that person's permission or consent. Now, as mentioned, revenge porn is regulated by the law, and that specific law is the Films and Publications Act. So, if you find yourself distributing a material that could be regarded as revenge porn on social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and so forth, even on email, on text, if you upload it on a website, you of course could be held liable. Now, if you are found guilty of distributing revenge porn, there's one of two things that could happen. You could either face imprisonment of up to 2 years, or you could be fined up to 150,000. And if it so happens that the person in the nude or the explicit rather sexual material can be identified, your fine or imprisonment can be increased up to 4 years, or a fine, of course, of 400,000. Now, when it comes to revenge porn, and if you find yourself as a victim of revenge porn, you do have the option, of course, of approaching SAPS and opening a criminal case. And in the alternative, or in addition, you can also approach attorneys to assist you. I do think it's highly advisable that if you find yourself as a victim of revenge porn, you open a case with the police, and you also do require or request the assistance of an attorney. An important consideration when it comes to revenge porn also is that if you distribute revenge porn, so even if the revenge porn isn't posted by you, if you share it on a social media platform like Facebook or Instagram or WhatsApp, even on email or text, although you are not the person who had initially posted the revenge porn, you also could be held liable. So, in other words, you could be held liable either for imprisonment of up to 2 years, or a fine of 150,000. And if, of course, the person who is on the video, the explicit sexual material that is or on the nude, can be identified, even if you shared or you distributed either on a social media platform like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram or WhatsApp, or you sent it via text or via email, or you uploaded on a website. If you are part and parcel of the distribution of revenge porn, you could also be held liable.